Inkantolo namhlanje idingide umfanekiso wevideo owashicilelwa uZuma Sambundla ekhasini lakhe laku-Twitter noma u-X, nokubekwa ukuthi wabuye wayisusa. Lo mfanekiso wevideo wawukhombisa umuntu owayedubula ubuso bukaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa esikhangisweni somkhankaso we-ANC.
The video is a 10-second long video and shows a shooter who's not depicted in the video shooting a gun at Cyril Ramaphosa's face on an election poster 6 times.
Ummeli womsolwa u-Advocate Dali Mpofu uzamile ukuchitha lobufakazi ngezizathu zokuthi lo mfanekiso bebengakaze bewubone, kodwa wakhala ngaphansi.
These are constitutional issues, my lord. This is not a small game. There is a reason why the defense is entitled to the docket many months before the case starts. It's got nothing to do with us as lawyers. It's the right of the accused.
Kuphinde kwavezwa umfanekiso wevideo owashicilelwa umsolwa emva kosuku lwezibhelu KwaZulu-Natal, nokusolakala ukuthi wawunenhlese yokushoshozela uDungunyane kwezinye izifundazwe.
A tweet at 7 o'clock the next morning which said in capital letters Gauteng exclamation mark, Mpumalanga exclamation mark, Free State exclamation mark. Are you there? Nisa, right? Nisa Pila, Amandla, 3 fist emojis, and hashtag Free Jacob Zuma.
Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa.
Of former President